If you've noticed that your Zanussi Airwave Vacuum Cleaner has lost suction, it could be because the filters are blocked. They might need cleaning. So empty out the dust container here in the bin like you would do normally, and then we need to get access to this part here and also the filter inside that as well. So I'm just going to open up this bottom bit here, and we want to take out this part. To take this part out, we need to rotate it counterclockwise, so to the left. So I'm grabbing it here and I'm just turning it a little bit to the left like so, and that will allow this part to come out. Then we've got this filter here. Again, you can grab it and just rotate it to the left counterclockwise like so, and then this part will come out. We can now give this and this a really good clean. So with this one, you'll be able to bring it over to the sink and give it a nice good wash out, get rid of all the dust, and if this is blocked up here, make sure it's all nice and clean. Now with this filter, I can't see any instructions to say it can be washed, but often with these filters, you can wash them. Just make sure they're fully dry. So put them on a warm radiator for 24 hours before putting them back into here. Don't put a wet filter back in. So if you do wash it, make sure it's fully dry before it goes back in. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to use a toothbrush and give everything a good clean. So I'm just going to do this one here. But with this one, you can see that this can be washed easily in the sink. And this filter here, you can see the amount of dust that's built up in there. Look at that. And if this is completely blocked, you can see how the suction's going to be down on your vacuum cleaner. So you can see how much dust has come out just with an old toothbrush. Now obviously you would keep going on until no more dust comes out, and as well as that, don't forget to clean in here as well. Give everything a nice good clean. And then when we go to put it back in, if you have washed it, make sure it's fully dry. You want to put it in with these tabs, so basically the hole needs to go up towards the top of the vacuum cleaner. So hold it like this here. Place it on here and just keep rotating it until it locks into place. So we're going to be placing it in and turning it clockwise until it locks in like so. You can see I can't turn it any more clockwise. It doesn't actually matter which way you put it in like so, because we've just got 3 little tabs there. So just put it in there like so and then turn it. That will lock into place. Then you're going to get this one. Again, there isn't a right and wrong way. You can see the 3 tabs, so it doesn't matter whether it's there, there or there. Place that in and lock that in like so, and that is it. That is now, obviously give it a better clean. I've just done this quickly for the video. That is it. That is now cleaned out, and hopefully you will find that the suction is much better than it was before, because we've got rid of all this blocking up the filter. Thanks for watching.